Many different ways to talk to women. We can call them either
小姐 or 美女.
or 美女. What about men then? How do we call men?
You know 哥, right?
哥. Oh, older brother.
Yeah, older
so like
brother.
姐姐, now we use 哥哥. Yeah.
Yeah, and the 哥哥 means older brother, but if you put shy at the beginning, 帅哥 means someone's really handsome, a handsome guy, which you can call a man word. Or Felix.
Fantastic. So we did美女, so that was beautiful, addressing women.
Yeah.
And then 姐, as in older sister. And then if you take that to a guy, then we're saying not 美 anymore, we're saying handsome, as in 帅.
Yes.
And then we're saying older brother, so 哥, 帅哥.
帅哥.
Fantastic. That makes a lot of sense.
Felix, 帅哥.
美女.
帅哥.
美女. 美女. Oh, 美女.
帅哥.
Hello.
He is a 帅哥 and he is also a waiter in this small nice restaurant. So for waitress we have 美女 and for waiter we have 帅哥. 帅哥 Look, 帅哥.
Hello.
Hello.
帅哥.
I'm not talking about you. 帅哥.
你好，
帅哥.
Hi. 我呢？
不帅哥。Ready? 2.你说呀，妈妈。
我准备说了呀。
你说呀，不说。
我准备说了。